Sorkar jylla ka apply tarik rymphang raja puar kelalumi ki Sengbhalang Iakren bat pyntip Halor ke jingiaid shaphrang ke jingiapynbeit put bat ke jylla assam hagre ke jylang lawan ki nongelam Sengbhalang beper kede ke bo menteri rang ba ke jylau kon ke sang mau la pau Halor ke jingmi nagane ke jylang.
I feel it's appropriate to share with the stakeholders because a large number of these organizations have been really, very passionate about this issue, and I think it would be not fair on the government's part to not keep them in line or inform them about the developments taking place. And so, as a civil society and as individuals and stakeholders who are very concerned about this subject, I felt and the cabinet felt that we should call them and share this information to them, and that's why we call them and share the information.
So will you also invite political parties?
Yes, of course. I've already discussed with most of the MD partners are aware about this. We have called the Congress Secretary, we share information, and the other political parties which remain, we will call them also and share the information.
So Chief Minister, details about the survey which is being done along the boundaries.
So basically, after we have finalized on the different villages which should be in Assam or should be in Meghalaya, obviously we need to realize or we need to finalize on what would be the actual demarcation of the line. Will it be next to the river? Will it be next to this tree? Will it be next to a reserve forest? Will it be the road? And if it is, then which is the mark? So, Survey of India has been asked by Government of India to coordinate and do joint inspection and joint survey with Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya, and ensure that we are able to come to some kind of a more micro drawing of the actual line, so that we can actually have a proper boundary in the long run.
La yoru Iakren bakinongelam Sengbhalang Halor ke ni ke jylang.
Ikut ta kalong bangim kuat magalong ketong kita kinong kawang keti ya gomen. Rekening isu ni hapus untuk de isu la sakun talasan pau telikisna. Tingi kuat bandon kuno ke benta bengi haban ajumur. Tendai pause kalong nyuma kalong bam ta singi Sorkar kepala. Tingi keren sai Sorkar ongton pinang ya ita. Lanu pin ai kata rymtip ndai nak liau jingi la banjur bari pin ai lang. Ndai tang sangi ban bu public domain banjur. Banjur bentalang pedupat ba ban share kam tan dong song snong. Ti kap kongsan kok menta kalong ngin song ma pakhat bat ni la ban kompai la ke jong ke report banjur snow la jong score. Ya ke jenglong juman kam tam ka ke ba Sorkar ka wan ti ka to ka snap ka snow em. Ya ka sor juma bon balang.
Thì cũng kalau manta kalau maka first meeting dulu apa semua sengi daga Sorkar dengan bawa Chief Minister bawa komiti jongki ke proses berlayar ni sengap kata. Tapi mentaru second time tu kita semua ini ba jendep ba menta kala pak kata report support MHC bagi nyok approval nanti. Tapi ni silong tangki nong sengap kenong pek perman. Hering ada orang Sorkar swabangin mi ru ni ong pek ni senia ya pi rilada PPong PBS atau principal bagi take ye local resident into consideration ye kinong sosno to border ki badi ki dok sna bagi kin simkhya ya ki nyong biang dilengba ki dong ki jaka pat mo ki balong kita ki long ki brakan land ki badi ki khlaw ki kita ki bahak opok ki hima de kata ru ki ong nak Sorkar ru inside kren leng baga council ki kita ki scroll facts documents bagi don ye kita kin bis tingi kumbalong no kanta yamdei baong nilang agree ya ke government bakale ring sepek kan lada kadang ki briu jong ki ut ki nam ko bla dep kron ni balam ha tu ki jaka border ki song kadang ka jeng syak ban ben ka jeng syak nigleng ka Sorkar ka thet kti be ai ki bikin dan apa jeng penya Sorkar Assam ha ta ka pon ni ong dala dep pena kata ka report ayo approval ru ni nam song klik ti dalale ru mangiru reya ka menta ni ai ta kti ka mang kti ka yang Sorkar ru.
No, nobody should accept anything if the government if at the end of the day when it comes to settlement of the boundary we found that the government has not do, why should we accept it? No, we can always have other option to do it. At the end of the day, if government of Meghalaya and Assam also agreed, we still have the government of India to file a petition to them. So the thing is that of course the government in the past 6 to 7 months they have do consultation, no doubt. You witness it. They go to villages, they go to each and every area, they call a meeting in Shillong. Definitely public consultation was done, but sharing of black and white paper was never done. Even today also, the Honorable Chief Minister has explained almost everything, but we have not seen it. No? So it's very tough on us also to just say that okay, to do whatever. But now later on, if we found that the recommendation of the state government does not sing to whatever the government tell us, also then we just cannot say yes. No? So most of the NGO insist that the government should share the report, and the government say that at this point of time they may not be able to do it, but at appropriate time they will share the document, because at the end of the day this is public document. Anybody can just find out and get it also. You cannot hide this document forever. So we hope that, as I tell, we have not decided anything. HYC and all the NGO has not decided that they agree with the government. We have not decided also that we did not agree with the government. But this is a sensitive issue, which the opinion of the real stakeholder is very, very important. By saying stakeholder, I don't mean immigrant. I don't mean those people who go there and stay as a tenant. Like Longkong village and other, most of the people stay there. They are non-Khasi, non-Karo. They are merely tenant of the same ship. How can they decide to take the land when they themselves are tenant? Now they stay in a particular plot. The next day they can go and stay in another particular. How can they decide on this issue? And about ownership, same ship has the power through the section. If their land is stuck to Assam, can you imagine non-Klaus ship or non-sponsor ship go and do administrative work in Assam? No, that is next to impossible. The moment we lose it, we lose. So how can tenant decide that? Tenant should not have a word on this. They are merely tenant. They take the document from the same ship. They should remain with the same ship.
It seems that the meeting that government has invited us is not a kind of consultative meeting. It is a kind of to give us a hearing of what the government has carried out so far. It seems that there is a lack of proper consultation with the traditional headmen, who are the appropriate owner as per our customary practice, who are the appropriate owner of those land that is in the border areas. And we are not sure whether government has heard their voice fully or have heard the voice of the people fully.